We have, what's our battery percentage? Oh no, we are below 50%! Oh no! Nakakatakot na! Hi guys, we're starting with 100% battery going to Baguio. To be honest, I'm sorry if we're not gonna make it. Meron naman tayong tatlong magtutulak. Alright, from SM North EDSA to SCTEX, we consumed 100 minus 83. 17% battery. We're done with SCTEX. Now entering TP-Lex. Ito siya. TP-Lex. And our charge is at 75%. Hang in there. You can do it. We just finished TP-Lex. We are now going to MacArthur Highway. We have, what's our battery percentage? Oh no, we are below 50%! Oh no! Nakakatakot na! We still have 37 kilometers to go.
1 eternity later.